Hello, DPSCD. Welcome back to your hub. Today I'm going to look at iBriefings. If you click on the button, which indicates iBriefings, you will see a personalized briefing portfolio. This is the transparency of DPSCD. You're going to see their homepage, which has a list of their briefings, weekly briefings, a briefings calendar, and that you can peruse any kind of activities that are occurring in the district, and help. There's also site tutorials, which probably will help you to further your investigations and research regarding iBriefings. But I just want to share something with you that has been helpful to me in the past. If you go back home and you go to DPSCD Digest, formerly known as DPSCD Daily, it indicates how you can stay current on the district's good news. In this week's digest, it gives you a description of what the digest will entail, but what's most important, if you can't read the whole digest, make sure you look through the description, because in the past I was able to access resources, field trips, and even get my own students in the digest last year for a project I did with the Detroit Symphony Orchestra. So make sure that you're utilizing these resources, because they can provide you with so much to support you in the classroom. And it's just a good way to be in the know with what's going on with DPS. And this concludes my tutorial on iBriefings.